Your ceiling fan has a switch on the motor housing, a small slider or button most homeowners have never touched. If your fan is spinning counterclockwise right now, pushing air downward, it is in summer mode. In your winter living room, it is costing you 23% of your heating bill. Warm air rises. The air your HVAC heats rises to the ceiling and stays there because warm air is less dense. The air at floor level stays cooler. Your thermostat reads the temperature at wall height, so it calls for more heat. Your HVAC system is reheating air that is already in the room because the heat is stratified out of reach. A ceiling fan running clockwise at low speed in winter pushes that warm air layer outward and down the walls. This circulates heat back to floor level without creating a downward draft, satisfying your thermostat with fewer cycles. No new equipment. No installation. 11 seconds to flip the switch. Let's look at the math. A smart thermostat installation quote is often $287. That total covers the hardware, labor, and a service fee, resulting in a 53% margin for the company. Smart thermostats save 8 to 12%. Ceiling fan destratification saves 15 to 23%. These measures are additive, but the fan direction switch has a payback measured in seconds. Here is the thermodynamics. In a 10-foot ceiling room, the ceiling is 5 to 10 degrees warmer than the floor. Clockwise rotation destratifies the air, collapsing the temperature gradient significantly. The blades are tilted to push air upward through the center, which then spreads out across the ceiling. This creates a gentle downdraft at the room perimeter that carries warm air to the living zone. Speed matters. At high speed, you create an evaporative cooling effect that defeats the purpose. Low speed and clockwise rotation is the precise specification for heating season. Stop. Let's look at the 1961 ASHRAE Handbook of Fundamentals. This was the primary technical reference for the HVAC industry, confirming destratification benefits. It documented a reduction in thermostat cycle frequency of 15 to 23%. Every HVAC engineer is trained on these standards, yet the sales process often ignores this data. The fan reverse switch generates no service call, no product sale, and no installation fee. The smart thermostat, however, generates all four. This is most effective in rooms with high ceilings, where you can feel the temperature difference. It is less effective in rooms with radiant floor heating, where heat is already at the bottom. The switch is present on virtually all ceiling fans manufactured since 1975. Look on the motor housing for the slider, or check your remote manual for a reverse sequence. Remember, counterclockwise for summer wind chill, and clockwise for winter destratification. Step 1. Turn the fan off and let it come to a full stop to avoid damaging the motor. Step 2. Locate the direction switch on the motor housing, often marked with an S or W. Step 3. Slide the switch to the winter position. Step 4. Turn the fan on to the lowest speed setting. Step 5. Confirm there is no direct draft. If you feel a breeze, it is too fast. That's it. 11 seconds to flip the switch, and your heating bill drops. Every fan reversed tonight is 23% of a heating bill that doesn't have to be paid. Tell me in the comments, what is your ceiling height? And what does your heating bill look like? Next video, your dishwasher is not cleaning the top rack. It's a simple mineral scale issue. This was documented in manufacturer maintenance manuals back in 1964. Stay warm and stop paying for heat that's just sitting at your ceiling. High ceilings are the main culprit for stratification, but this fix handles them with ease. The U.S. HVAC industry generates over $14 billion in annual service revenue. When your thermostat is set to 68, you want that heat where you are, not 6 feet above you. It really is just about balancing the air pressure and flow. It's a simple, elegant solution that the industry has known about for decades. Efficiency isn't always about buying something new. It's about optimizing what you already have. Check your own fan. Is it moving the right way for the season? It's a mechanical override for the entire room's climate control. A gentle spin, a big difference. The data is clear. ASHRAE set the standard, and we can all follow it. Safety first. Always stop the motor before flipping. Some remotes require a specific sequence, so don't be afraid of the manual. Comfort isn't just a thermostat number. 15 to 23% adds up over a long winter. You have the power to control your energy usage, starting with this simple switch. Clockwise. Low speed. Low speed. Winter mode engaged. It's right here. Don't look past it. This is what smarter, more efficient living looks like. Before you pay for that service call, check the fan. Most fans are built for year-round utility. Simple, effective, and completely free. It's money back in your pocket every single billing cycle. Go check your fans tonight and let me know the results. A stable temperature, a satisfied thermostat. It's the little things that really change the game. Efficient, silent, and smart. 11 seconds. That's the entire cost of the protocol. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Don't forget to flip it back in the spring.